Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to schedule Instagram posts. So, let's dive right in. Create your post or reel with care. Craft a captivating caption, choose high-quality visuals, and add any relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. When you're happy with your post, navigate to the sharing stage. This is the screen where you can add location tags and alt text for accessibility. Before hitting share, take a moment to look for the advanced settings option. It might be slightly hidden, so scroll down a bit if you don't see it right away. Tap on Advanced Settings to reveal more options. Here you'll find the magic scheduling feature. Toggle on the switch labeled Schedule this post. This activates the date and time picker, allowing you to choose when your masterpiece will automatically go live. Pick the perfect date and time to schedule your post. You can schedule up to 75 days in advance, giving you plenty of flexibility to plan your content calendar. Once you've selected the ideal date and time, double-check everything looks good. Finally, tap the Schedule button. And that's it. Your post is now patiently waiting in the wings, ready to be published at the designated time. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.